In the heart of the orchard, where precision matters more than power, Mini Gus rolls quietly between rows, doing what human crews once struggled to keep up with. Short for Global Unmanned Spray System, this compact autonomous sprayer is designed specifically for vineyards and high-density orchards where space is tight but efficiency is critical. Equipped with advanced sensors, GPS guidance, and obstacle detection, Mini Gus navigates with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring crops are treated evenly while keeping workers safely out of chemical exposure zones. Its smart autonomy allows one operator to manage multiple units at once, drastically reducing labor costs and boosting productivity. With a spraying width of up to 10 feet and speeds reaching 5.5 miles per hour, it's small in size but massive in impact. Pricing typically starts around $150,000, depending on features and add-ons. Built for modern high-horsepower tractors and demanding soil conditions, the Kverneland 6300S Variamat is a heavy-duty semi-mounted plow that redefines precision and power in tillage. Designed for deep, consistent plowing, this machine features robust heat-treated steel construction and Kverneland's signature Variamat system, which allows for on-the-go working width adjustments, from 30 to 55 centimeters per body. Its unique auto-reset system protects against stones and obstacles by automatically lifting and resetting the plow bodies, minimizing downtime and damage. Despite its size, the plow's clever design ensures smooth maneuverability at headlands. For farmers aiming to maximize productivity with premium equipment, the Kverneland 6300S Variamat is a powerful partner, often priced starting around $65,000 depending on configuration. When it comes to turning massive sugar beet piles into seamless logistics, the RopaMouse 6 is in a class of its own. Towering over the field with its 10-meter-wide pickup system and cutting-edge conveyor technology, this self-propelled cleaner loader transforms bulky harvests into smooth, efficient transport streams. Its hydraulic folding system allows for fast deployment, while the latest Arconnect telematics and touchscreen interface give operators total command over every motion. The Mouse 6 isn't just about power, it's about precision, with advanced cameras and sensors ensuring minimal loss and maximum cleanliness. Whether working under pressure at harvest peak or gliding through routine loads, it delivers non-stop performance that modern farms rely on. Pricing for the RopaMouse 6 typically starts around $650,000, depending on features and region. The Oxbow 9120 is a self-propelled raspberry harvester specifically designed for harvesting high-quality raspberries, particularly for the IQF individually quick frozen market. Developed with input from industry experts, it features a fruit delivery system focused on minimizing damage and maintaining fruit quality from the plant to the flat. Key features include the Arboroader picking system, which gently removes ripe berries, and a new fluid bed cleaning system that effectively removes debris while remaining gentle on the fruit. The 9120 also offers ample onboard storage for both full and empty flats, a side operator platform for visibility and control, and a tight turning radius for maneuverability in the field. Expect prices to start at approximately $275,000. Farming meets futuristic engineering in the bold, all-in-one marvel known as Nexat. Unlike anything before it, Nexat isn't just a machine, it's a complete agricultural ecosystem on wheels. This autonomous, high-horsepower platform transforms itself for different tasks like seeding, spraying, cultivating, or harvesting by swapping out integrated modules, all while moving on ultra-wide tracks that minimize soil compaction. At over 14 meters wide, Nexat covers massive swaths of land in a single pass, drastically reducing time and fuel while increasing yield efficiency. Its 1,100 horsepower hybrid electric drivetrain ensures quiet, clean power, and the cab can rotate 270 degrees for full visibility and comfort in any operation. The Amatis 9990 is a premium self-propelled peanut combine that stands out for its robust performance and innovative features, making it an industry leader in harvesting efficiency. Powered by a John Deere Tier 4 9.0L turbocharged engine, the 9990 combine's advanced design with operator-centric features to maximize productivity in demanding conditions. Tailored for peanut harvesting, this combine ensures optimal harvesting capacity, achieving up to 25% greater efficiency alongside innovative systems for residue management and enhanced unloading speed. The spacious cab with state-of-the-art technology supports comfort during long working hours. Its price around $400,000. The Kernland Fast Bale is a revolutionary non-stop fixed-chamber baler wrapper combination designed to significantly boost productivity by eliminating the need to stop during baling. It features an innovative two-chamber system. A pre-chamber collects crop while the main chamber forms and nets a bale. Once complete, the crop flow is diverted back to the pre-chamber, allowing the finished bale to be gently transferred onto a high-speed vertical wrapper. This seamless process saves valuable time, typically 15 to 18 seconds per bale, leading to substantial daily output increases and reduced fuel consumption. Its compact design and robust driveline ensure reliability and easy maneuverability, even in challenging field conditions. The Kernland Fast Bale typically comes with a price tag starting around $120,000. When snow falls in relentless waves and covers everything in a thick white blanket, the Overeisen TV1000 rises to the occasion with unmatched power and precision. Built for the most extreme winter conditions, this high-performance snow blower is a beast born in Norway and engineered to clear airport runways, highways, and heavy-duty snow routes with ease. Its heart beats with a 425 horsepower engine capable of handling up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour, throwing it far and wide with surgical accuracy. The rugged design, smart hydraulic control, and immense snow throwing capacity make it one of the most reliable and effective snow removal machines on the planet. Prices typically start around $300,000, depending on configuration and region. Harvesting high-protein forage just got smarter with the Agbot 2.055W4 leading the charge in sustainable alfalfa management. Known for its deep root system and natural nitrogen-fixing ability, alfalfa enriches the soil while delivering nutrient-dense feed, and this lightweight autonomous workhorse makes the most of it. Outfitted with 710mm low-pressure wheels and a precision double-blade mower, the Agbot glides effortlessly across fields, protecting the soil structure with every pass. In the final cut of 2023, it maintained a steady 9 km/h pace, proving that ecology and productivity can operate side by side. The Garford Robercrop In-Row Eroder is an advanced mechanical weeding system designed to precisely remove weeds both between and within crop rows. Utilizing video image analysis, it accurately locates individual plants, enabling its crescent-shaped weeding discs to cultivate around them. The optional eroder model incorporates a high-torque electric motor, enhancing weeding speed and accuracy, achieving up to 6 plants per second per row. This technology offers a highly effective solution for reduced or chemical-free cultivation, minimizing reliance on manual labor and offering significant cost savings for transplanted crops like lettuce and cabbage, as well as other regularly spaced plants. Its precision, often within 8 millimeters of the plant stem, ensures minimal crop disturbance while maximizing weed control, with cultivation percentages exceeding 98%. The RU800S is a remarkable, massive track renewal machine developed by Placer and Tire, often in collaboration with companies like Swiatkowski. It's a continuous, assembly line system designed to replace old railway tracks and clean ballast beds simultaneously. Measuring an impressive 177 meters in length and weighing around 692 tons, this robot automates a traditionally labor-intensive and dangerous process. It efficiently removes old rails and sleepers, sifts and cleans the existing ballast, lays down new sleepers, and installs fresh rails. Capable of renewing approximately 2 kilometers of track per day, the RU800S significantly reduces the time and economic impact of railway maintenance, contributing to safer and faster rail travel. The Anneberger Unicrawler is an innovative rubber track carrier designed to significantly reduce soil compaction in agricultural fields. This unique system allows conventional, road tire-equipped trailers to be transported across soft terrain on rubber tracks, effectively minimizing ground pressure by more than 2/3. Farmers and contractors can simply drive their wheeled trailers onto the Unicrawler platform, engage the trailer brake, and the tracked carrier then transports the load. This eliminates the need for expensive flotation tires on every trailer, offering substantial cost savings and enhancing efficiency by allowing road-optimized vehicles to operate in challenging field conditions. Prices for this high-tech transport solution typically start around $200,000. The John Deere 2266 Extra is a robust combine harvester, primarily manufactured between 1998 and 2001, and is part of the esteemed 2200 series. Designed for efficient grain harvesting, this machine typically features a powerful engine, often around 220 to 223 kilowatt, and is equipped with 6 straw walkers for effective separation. It boasts a substantial grain tank capacity, commonly around 9,500 liters, and can be found with various header widths, including 6.1 meters. Operators benefit from a comfortable cabin with amenities like air conditioning and an onboard computer, enhancing productivity during long harvest days. Additional features often include a straw chopper, chaff spreader, and options for hillside leveling or all-wheel drive, making it a versatile machine capable of handling diverse field conditions. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, where light disappears and only the toughest machines survive, the Elphinstone WR810 proves its worth in every corner of the mining world. Purpose-built for underground utility work, this Australian-engineered powerhouse is more than just a rugged workhorse, it's a lifeline for subterranean operations. Available in various configurations including water, fuel, and service modules, the WR810 adapts to specific mine site requirements like a true underground specialist. Its compact design ensures maneuverability in tight tunnels, while the durable frame, reliable engine, and ergonomic operator cabin combine to deliver consistent performance in the most demanding conditions. Pricing for this utility machine generally starts around $350,000, depending on module type and specs. The Merapete OJK 1.3 is a specialized screw-type ditcher designed for efficient bog clearing and maintenance, particularly for creating and cleaning drainage ditches and peatlands. This robust implement effectively cuts through trees, roots, and stumps, even in challenging conditions like ground frost, thanks to its powerful auger and carbide cutters. It's capable of forming a clean ditch up to 1.3 meters deep in a single pass, throwing the excavated peat a considerable distance and distributing it evenly across the surrounding strip. Often paired with high horsepower tractors or track carriers, the OJK 1.3 is a key piece of machinery for preparing new peak production areas or maintaining existing ones, ensuring optimal drainage and preparing the land for further processing.